It's Moon. Welcome to this comp 123. I just is using this OBS and then uploading this YouTube, and also I'm just is my assignment is in about this abstract class. Let's go to this abstract class. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 classes. There is a giant and 8 class board is connect to how this abstract class working, and show this like flash class first. And I just is like declare the is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 field, and then that semester and mass and count and name, and then the ring count, and rotate this period. And also I'm using this private public properties, and there is 1 is 2 3 4 5 6 7, and also I'm using this public planet and then the string name, and this is like stock take on name, and then semester and mass local value, and then see there is a relative is intended is values to their values, and then overriding there is a name and semester name and a mass. And go to this giant class. There is one is private instance value for types, and there is like also some your constructor method with this parameter is planet based class is where the types local values related is instant value and type to this instant, and maybe there is this type, and base this name and semester and mass. Also there is a bool type, there is a hashman, and returns is moon count is greater than the 0, and maybe there is a return true, and also is a bears. And hash ring same things, recount then return true, and ring count is and return true, and ring counter is a false. I also make this there is because interface this IS rings, and the bool is a hash the rings. And go to the is like territoria is planet, and go to the just is a private is oxygens. There is a bool type, and then public bool is a hash table is if there is oxygen is true, and there is a return if there is oxygen is connected, and then return is true, or return is a false. There is the same thing, it's a bool type, and then I just is a hash the moon count is greater than 0 and return true, and earth is return false. Earth is a public, it's a constructor. There is like the variable is a name, and then semester is a mass and a bool oxygen, and I just is called it from this like giant classes. I know it's a planet, and then name and semester next, and then there is also is a setting that is oxygen and oxygen 2. And go to the is like the hash moons. Hash moons also same thing, it's an interface is hash moons, and the hash moons I made it. Also it's a hash table interface, there is a hash table, bool is a hash table too. The programming is like there is a giant planet and giant and then new object, and I'm using the chat. Also it's just making it to making half the giant object is public, and the two string and method display planet, and today is a console. The main also is a drive the class and territorial planet. Today is a main mason, and then maybe the birds, and then do is a main, and then there is like a main the birds hash planet, the territorial planet here name and semester mass and oxygen. That's why it's a name and semester mass and oxygens. The analysis like console is giant 10, there is like a white line, and there is all of them, and there is like a started. There we go. Just is the chat, and then the name is like less than virus, and then percent and mass, and everything is like console like white line too. And also it's a wait for line key. This for this console is a read key. I call this wait for the line key too. That's it. Thanks for this my assignment, and then buy it. Bye.